Hey everybody, how you all doing? And I hope you are kicking ass already this year with your weight loss program. But if you aren't, then today, guys, I want to talk about how do you actually start a weight loss program? Because I can promise you, the things that you see on social media, which is don't follow a diet program or a workout program, just make things a lifestyle. Yeah, but that is as dumb as saying, hey, I want to make money. What should I do? And someone tell me, just go and start a business and work hard. What kind of business? Where should I work hard? My marketing, my advertising, my actual business? What should I be doing? And that is why it's all cool to make things a lifestyle, but you must learn how to actually make things a lifestyle. And today I want to share with you my tips and tricks of how to get started when I come across someone who hasn't been working out for 2-3 years, haven't been eating healthy for years, and they want to get started. These are the things that I tell them to do. It's not sexy. It's not complicated. It's in fact very simple. And most people are going to go, oh, that's dumb. I'm not going to do it. I want to go get that extreme program, an extreme diet, which I'll be only using for one day and then I'll be stopping them. Okay, don't do that. If you're just starting out, follow these steps. I've seen it work for myself, my clients, and I promise you, just start with this. And after this, you can start moving on to some of our free extreme challenges, more advanced challenges, premium challenges, workouts, programs, all that stuff. There will be a time and place for it. But if you're just starting out, use these strategies. Number one, exercise. I tell people, listen, if you haven't been exercising for a while, forget about anything. Just go and walk every day for 30 minutes for the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. Not power walking, not extreme walking. Just go and walk for 30 minutes. This will help you build an exercise habit. If you want to do something else that you enjoy doing, like mountain biking or going for a walk with the dogs or play with your children, do that as well. But just do something you enjoy for 30 minutes a day for the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. Forget about the extreme workout programs. That will come afterwards. When it comes to your eating plan, simple. Try and cut out as much sugar as you can, okay? And the way I tell people to do this, don't just go cold turkey, okay? That doesn't work for most people. So over a 7-day period, start with cutting your sugar in half every single day. So if you're drinking, whatever, 2 liters of Coke today, tomorrow 1 liter, then 500 milliliters, and then you replace the other fluids with water, for example, okay? So start by just cutting out sugar, okay? That should be your number one priority. And then second of all, just cut your portion sizes, whatever you're eating right now. If you're eating 8 Krispy Kremes, just cut your portion sizes by 25% and just start eating 6 Krispy Kremes every single day, okay? And yes, there's people now go, Peter, you shouldn't tell people to eat any of this stuff. Guys, we are talking about you are just getting started. We just want to get the ball rolling. These are the things that actually works for that transition period. You will get onto eating healthier, eating proper food, and within the next 21 days, 6 weeks, 12 weeks, you'll be rocking a proper eating plan that you actually enjoy. But when we're just getting started, make it as simple and as easy for you as possible. And then finally, one of the most important things is mindset. I tell my guys to focus on 3 things. Number one, taking action. Nothing else matters, okay? Take action. So I normally tell them, go and print a little something out, a calendar, put it on your fridge. Every day that you have taken action and did that 30-minute walk, cross it out, okay? Celebrate your little wins. That will motivate you to continue. Every little thing that you can celebrate, celebrate it. But number one, just take action. You cut your sugar, make a little cross, okay, where you can see it, because when you see how you're doing progress and how you don't want to skip one of those days through the next 2 to 3 weeks, it actually motivates you to continue. But number one, take action. Number two, progression, okay? Doesn't matter if that progression is 1% or 50%, okay? So it just means you try and do better every single day. And even if you completely fail, like I did many a day, okay, I would completely fail. But then tomorrow I try again. And then tomorrow I try again until I get improvement, until I see that progression. And then the next day I try and do better. As simple as that, guys. So those are my strategies that I would do for the next 7 to 21 days if you're just getting started, because they work. And guys, if you can't be bothered with even doing all of that manually, go to 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. I created a 7-day free fat loss kickstart program that actually teaches you all of this in a specific day-by-day, step-by-step way that you can just sign up, get the daily emails, and follow it. But guys, these things work. Yes, they're not sexy. Yes, they might be too slow. Yes, they might be too boring. But it's all about just getting the ball rolling. And I promise you, if you do these things, you will start your weight loss journey for the final time this year. So there you go, guys. I hope this will help you. And as always, click on that like button. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And I will see you in the next one. Have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.